Champion Sohari breakfast this morning. We have here rice, curry with boulders, bus-up shot, mango, chana and aloo, pumpkin, coffee to wash it down, and parsad on the side. Talk now. Let's see how this goes. Rice, curry and boulders, bus-up shot, mango, chana and aloo, pumpkin. Good mix. Good and good, good and good. Very tasty. Coffee to wash it down. Let's have a taste of the parsad. That's a reason. Sweet and smooth. Very tasty. More coffee. Good and good, good and good. Good food, good food.